The volatility is back today. I ended up making over 100% of my small account. Today, we absolutely crushed it. I am going to be going over the trades the Daily Sniper Discord ended up taking, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Before we get into today's video, we have a 50% off deal happening right now, guys. We are live trading every single day. When we are not on live stream, we are typing the trades out and spoon feeding everyone. The 50% off deal happening right now. Use code MONEY, MONEY. Save yourself 50%. Let's get into it. So let's start at yesterday, guys. I didn't end up making a video. I got caught up with life. Opening candle, guys, Dimitri ended up alerting puts at the exact high of the morning session, guys. These guys absolutely banked. I didn't catch anything, and I was patiently waiting until the previous closing price right here. As soon as it came out to the previous closing price, I ended up hitting the gap close reversal, Hit this, came back up, guys, hit one more trade at my key level, 569.65, brought these deep in the money. The rest was history. So today, the same trade. Dimitri literally hit the same trade 2 days in a row. As soon as we ripped up, he ended up getting to the puts, guys. I did not take this trade because I had a small account and I'm patiently waiting for the best level to hit. What is the best level? The previous closing price, PCP, ended up being 568.87. As soon as we ripped up to it, guys, I ended up buying in on this big green candle. I doubled down at my key level, 569.65, and the rest was absolute history, guys. We crushed it today, and we didn't stop there. I ended up buying and alerting. I'll show you guys. Like, we do this shit in real time, okay? 565 calls at 1 o'clock at $1.78. My price target was $567.50. Every single person I know was so bearish, but I just wasn't buying it because it was an empty pocket. If we broke it at this level, it's an empty pocket multiple dollars down. So I ended up just buying the dip and it printed, right? Made a bag. Came back up, guys. I ended up alerting 567 puts and brought these disgustingly back in the money. This is all done in real time, guys. Live alerts, live trading alerts. Now, what is the game plan moving forward to tomorrow? So, SPY ended up closing at 567.82. As you can see, the reason why I was buying 565 calls, because we didn't take out the lows of yesterday. It was a higher low. Right? So once we bounced up and came back down, this is when I ended up getting 565 calls. It was a higher low. What was my stop loss? A new low from yesterday if we took out the lows. It was like a 5-to-1 risk to reward. We bought 565 calls. Look where the high of the day was. Look where we ended up hitting, 568, guys. It was almost a 3-point return from just patiently waiting and buying in at the right, correct level. So 566.57 is a floor, right? Every time we come to this, even though it overextends, is a massive bounce level, right? Now, let's go upwards. 568.58, a massive rejection level, and then 569.65, and then 570. This is the range we're trading in. It is a big range. That's why you see these big solid lines. Look at every line you see on my chart. You're going to see a 5-minute support or rejection. That's why these levels are on my chart. So, we know the bottom of the channel is approximately 566.50 to 565.50. The upper end of the channel. The peak is 570. So the low of the channel, 566.50 is the best level for calls, and the high of the channel is 570. As soon as we hold 570 as a support, just hypothetically speaking, if there was news and we ended up gapping up tomorrow, if we hold 570, SPY is going to rocket $2 to the absolute minimum. Okay, so you see this empty pocket all the way to 571 and then empty pocket all the way to 573, right? We have a little bit of resistance here, not too big, but 570.82, 573, and 571. Big levels. We hold this. Free money calls. If we end up rejecting 566.57, the first stop is 564.86. This was the peak gap that we had on SPY. the last gap that we filled or that we had on the charts before as soon as we passed 565. So this was previous heavy resistance, right? If we come down to this level, this is going to be a good scalp level for calls. But if we end up seeing 565 act as a resistance, 2 points drop. Look at the empty area. We want 565 to crack. We want to get into puts because we know we're going to make an absolute bag. But if we don't gap up and hit 570 and we are respecting 565 or 566.50, this is still a level for calls. Play the chart. Every time we come down to this level, it's calls. We come down to this level, it's calls. Come down to this level, it's calls multiple times. This is the bottom of the channel. If you bought calls here at any point in the last 3 days, you made money. So keep buying the calls here until proven otherwise. Stop letting your bias get into you. Stop falling in love with a trade. Stop holding hopes. Losing is a choice. We don't hold hopes. We buy where we're supposed to buy and we stop out. Screw this dollar cost averaging. Keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Guys, it's a bad way to trade. You should be hitting a trade 2 times. 50%, half a position, double down, full size position. If you're wrong, you're wrong. That's it. Okay? So that we're still in a channel. We're still respecting the channel. 570 is still the best level to short. 566.50 is the best level to be buying calls at. That's what the chart is showing us, right? We see the chart. So that is it, guys, for me today. Remember, forexfactor.com, we see the news. It's a free website, guys. We have news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 1 hour before market open. And then at 10 a.m., an hour and a half into market open is the big data move. Know this. Do not be in a trade by 10 o'clock because it's going to be extremely volatile. The Daily Sniper University, guys. We have 7 videos, a video lesson library of 7 hours or almost 9 hours worth of videos, guys. This will teach you trading from nothing into something. This is all you need to know with Sniper University. If you'd like to join, guys, first link in the bio below. And if you would like to be a part of the Discord and you want to be spoon-fed and you don't want to pay for education, guys, you just want to make money, the Daily Sniper live streaming and chat, guys, 50% off right now. Use code MONEY, MONEY, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thank you guys for being here. And I don't know about you guys, but Fridays are known to be my best fucking trading days. Let's get into it.